Okay, hi and welcome to day 20 of Mysterious March. Okay, today we are doing the Spix and Hyacinth Macaws. These are actually two separate species of macaws. Unfortunately, these are two such cases where the illegal pet trade has had a lot to answer for. Beautiful bright blue feathers are highly sought after, and many macaws have been illegally trapped, bred and sold for keeping as pets. The Spix macaw is now extinct in the wild, but hope still remains in captive populations. It is most well known by the kids' animated film Rio. The hyacinth macaw is the world's largest flying parrot and endangered in the wild, with around 6,500 left in the wild. Notable mention also goes to the glaucus and Lear's macaws, which are vulnerable and possibly extinct. They are in the same family as the hyacinth macaw and look strikingly similar. These are the blue macaws. We also have the blue and gold macaw, but they are very common and popular in captivity and doing well in the wild. So where are they found? Both of these blue macaws are found in South America in Brazil. The hyacinth macaw is found along rivers, wetlands and lakes where palm trees grow. They roost and nest in tall palm trees or eroding cliff cavities and prefer open forests to denser ones. And the Spix macaw prefers a very specific woodland habitat, Caatinga scrub zone, which is a semi-arid tropical vegetation. But they're no longer in the wild, so they obviously don't currently live there. And what makes them mysterious? Mysterious questions with equally mysterious answers. Let's do a brief breakdown on these unique parrots and give them some love. So the hyacinth macaw can grow to about 1 metre long or 39 inches and weigh around 1.5 kilos or 3 pounds. They eat palm fruits and nuts, and they have cobalt blue feathers with bright yellow eye-ring and patch of skin on the bottom bill. They are very striking birds. They are very social, usually forming groups up to 4, but often found in bigger groups of 12 to 20 birds. They play an important role in dispersing seeds and nuts that they eat throughout the ecosystem. And the Spix macaw, also known as the little blue macaw, it has more blue-grey colourings with bright blue wings and tail. They eat seeds and fruits of trees and cacti. They live socially in small family groups or pairs. They aggressively defend their chicks when they are young. They will lie on their side on the ground to lure an intruder away. There are roughly 110 birds in captivity. Unfortunately, these big beautiful birds are in high demand as pets, and when you have a desire for exotic pets, you have the illegal pet trade. This is the unlawful capture and sale of wild animals as pets. These animals are usually kept in poor conditions, and this leads to great harm to wildlife populations. Unfortunately, Brazil especially has a lot of very unique wildlife, and a lot of money can be made on the black market for these birds. The illegal pet trade is estimated to bring in around $23 million annually. $23 billion annually. These macaws almost present a perfect hierarchy of conservation status. We have a blue and gold macaw of least concern, often seen, and most people will picture this when they hear the word macaw. The Lear's macaw is vulnerable, the hyacinth is endangered, the spix is extinct in the wild, and the glaucus is extinct, as far as we know. Looking at the effects human behaviour has had on these macaws, arguably some of the most well-known of the birds across the world, we can ask a few questions. What is it about these birds that we are so enamoured by? What effects does the developing world have on extinction rates worldwide? And have organisms ever gone extinct in such a rapid pace before? Something to ponder while I do some drawing. So, a not so conclusive conclusion there, but just something to think about. I'm going to leave it at that and just jump into some drawing. So thanks so much for watching this video. Bye.